purchasing LSA Agency software, and in this training video I'm going to show you how to use this powerful software. So LSA Agency is actually a software that finds laser targeted high ticket recurring clients that you can sell phone call leads to in just 60 seconds. And LSA Agency is divided into 4 parts. The first part is the lead finder. This is where you have access to over 300 million businesses and millions of professionals that actually need customers for their business. So LSA Agency actually allow you to get business leads for local businesses. So tell me, which business doesn't even need a customer? So this is an easy sell for you. So aside that, we have the second module inside LSA Agency, which is the local lead page builder. Now, for local businesses to capture leads and clients and customers for their business, they actually need a lead page. So you have access to a local lead page builder inside LSA Agency that give you access to 92 done for you local business lead pages. So aside that, we also have the agency site builder module inside LSA Agency. Now, agency site builder allow you to create your own agency site so that you can showcase your services to local businesses. This allow you to build credibility and close clients fast. So aside that, we also have our Google LSA training video. Now, Google LSA means Google Local Service Ads. This is the training video that will show you exactly how to create phone call lead ads for local businesses. That is, they get calls from customers and you only pay per call or pay per quote that you get from this customer. So this is a very powerful advert that will bring loads and loads of leads to local businesses that you're advertising to, and in return you can get paid as high as $1,000, $5,000 for rendering this service. So you just have to set it up once and everything works on complete autopilot. So now let's get started. Now I'm going to log into my account here in order to show you how all this module works. Okay, so this is LSA Agency dashboard. As you can see, you see a welcome message here, you see your business leads you've generated so far, you see total website you've created. If you have created website, it will appear here, and you see the domains, everything will appear here. So now we have the lead finder. I already explained the lead finder to you. These are upgrades. If you purchase the upgrades, you're going to see that this is Google My Business Manager, and this is SEO Agency, which allow you to sell SEO audit reports to local businesses too, in order to improve their SEO ranking on Google pages. So here we have the training videos. This is where you access all the trainings, and we have the support where you contact the support for anything. So now let's get started. I'm going to go with the lead finder first. So once you click on the lead finder, it takes you to your lead finder page. Now on this lead finder page, all you need to do is to log in with the same login details you have on your LSA Agency. So I'm going to do the same here. As you can see, enter my password. Okay, so once you log in, you have access to the lead finder dashboard. So what I'm going to do is to go to where we have lead search. As you can see, this is the dashboard. You see the number of traffic, the emails sent, the leads generated, and all that. So you see the lead search, you see the campaign, you see the email template, you see the task. Now this email template is actually where you get done for you template that you can use to sell your phone call lead services and other services as well. So now the first thing is to go to lead search. Once you click on lead search, search a particular keyword. That is, what local businesses do you want to help get leads and make money in return? So you search for a particular keyword from restaurants, hotels, plumber, chiropractors, doctors, anything. Just click on it, and then you search the city. Now, LSA works perfectly for local businesses in the United States. So you search for the cities in United States, you can search for their the code. So you can search for CA, which is California, or Texas, which is TX. So then you search for the results per page. Here I'm going to type 10 and click on the search button. So once you click on the search button, it's going to bring out restaurants in that area. As you can see, this is a very powerful software. You give access to the name, to the address, to the website, to the phone number, and also their email address. So whichever one you want to work with, all you need to do is just to click on add to campaign. So once you click on add to campaign, you can say add campaign successfully. You can add as many as possible to a campaign. I'll add this to campaign as well. You can see add to campaign. Once you've added those businesses to campaign, then you need to go back to your campaign menu. So on the campaign menu, as you can see, you see the businesses there. You can see the 2 businesses. So you can do a lot of things here. You can add them to task. This add to task is for adding task for that particular business. Maybe you've already gotten the contract or the deal to actually help them generate leads for their business or generate customers for their business. So you can set the date in which you want to work with them. You can see when you set add to task, you can see the task title, you add a task field, the client's name is added automatically, the priority, and the description of the job you want to do for them, the day you want to start, and the time you want to end it. So you fill all those things. Once you're done, you click on submit. The next one is sending email. So you can send emails to this local business immediately. So all you need to do is to select the email templates. As you can see, you can select the email template. There are tons and tons of email templates, but for the particular type of offer you want to offer for them, you can use all these local business ads. As you can see, lead generation services, so you select that, or you can use this Google ads as well. So whichever one, you can use any of those two. I select lead generation services, you see the subject is added and the body is added automatically, and then you can click submit to send the mail. So the mail will be sent to them automatically. Ensure you always include your reply email in the content so that you can get a reply from them. You can as well copy their URL and just go to a new tab to view their website in case you want to check out how their website looks like and all. So then you can delete the business in case maybe you didn't get a positive response from them. So that is actually how the lead finder works. And if you go to task, you can view your calendar to see all the tasks you have on your calendar. So this is how it actually works. So lead finder is a very powerful tool, and that is exactly how it works. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the local lead page builder. Like I said earlier on, these businesses, we need a lead page builder. We need a lead page. Lead page is actually different from their normal site. But if they have a website whereby they can grab leads, they can grab customers' details, then fine. But if they don't, then you can provide this lead page to them at an additional cost as well. So all you have to do is just to click on new project. So once you click on new project, it brings you to this template. So on this template page, you can select based on categories. You want to build agency lead page, business lead page, education, fashion, health and fitness, hotels, medicals, pet care, products, professionals, services. So all you need to do is just to select any of the templates, and you can decide to create one from scratch as well. So if you select any of the templates, I'm just going to pick one. Let's say I want to create for a fitness business. So I'm going to give it a name. So I can give it fit me and click on create. So you can see project has been created. So it's going to take me to the page builder. So it's going to load our template, and as you can see, this is the toolbox where I can actually use to edit the site. So now the next thing is to customize the site for the clients. You can change the image here, like the logo. You can, so once you click here, you can either choose image from your computer, as you can see, or you can search image library here. Just search for a particular keyword, and then once you search for the keyword, you select where you want to get the picture maybe from Pixabay, which have over 20 million royalty free images, or on Splash as well, which have millions of royalty free images that you can use on your website. So you can search for the image and use. So you can add pop-up to your site. As you can see, all you need to do is just to enter the title of the pop-up and the pop-up contents, then the image you want to use, the text on the button, and the link that will be on the call to action link for the button, and you click on save pop-up. We also have an image editor that you can use to create your own graphics. That is, you can edit your own graphics that you want to use on the lead page. We also have countdown timer that you can set on your site to create scarcity on the lead pages you're building for your local clients. You can set the time and all that. You can also add your HTML form here. So all you have to do is just to drag and drop it where you want the form to appear. So this is a very powerful lead page builder. And once you're done designing the site, you can customize the text. It's very easy and everything is drag and drop. See, I want to do this. You can change anything on the site. As you can see, you can change anything on the site. So once you're done, you can publish your site. Now, you can as well download the lead page. Let's take, for instance, the local business owner already have an existing site. You can download the files from the lead page and upload it on their site, so they don't have to purchase a new domain or hosting. And you can as well host it on LSA Agency as well. All you just have to do is just to click on the publish button. Once you click on the publish button, as you can see, this will be the URL for it. So it's going to open the site, as you can see. So it's going to be fitme.lsaagency.com. So it's going to load up our lead page site, and you're going to see how beautiful this looks. So you can see. So that is how to create your lead page in just a few clicks. Okay, so this host, username, password, and directory. This is if you want to upload the files to a URL to your own website. Let's say the local business have their own existing site. You can get their host name, their username, their password to their cPanel, and the directory where they want the lead page to appear. You put it there and you click on publish. If you click on publish, it's going to upload these files automatically to their sites without you doing it manually, which means you can upload their sites. You can upload their lead page from LSA Agency to their site. But if you're not going to make use of that, you just want to make use of our subdomain, you don't need to input anything here, and you don't need to click on publish. This is just the link to follow. By turning this on and off, you will make the site available. So by turning it on, then this site is available and you can view it. So that is how to create a lead page for local business. So what I'm going to show you right now is also how to create your agency site, which will also follow the same procedure. Now, at times when you try to view this site, it might show an error page that you just click on the proceed button below. I'm going to show you now. Okay, so let's create an agency site as well. So I'm just going to click on new project, and once you create your website, you can always view them here below. Can you see? You can set the preview, and if you add your own custom domain, because you can as well connect your domain to their site, so you can add your own domain to it. Just click on the connect domain. Once you click on connect domain, then you put your host name here. Can you see? And you click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you for your IP. Click on next. So all you have to do is to create a record of this on your site. So once you do that, you click on next. Within 24 to 48 hours, you should be able to connect your domain on LSA Agency. So you have your own custom domain. You can as well watch the training video on how to do this. So now, once you're done with that, we're going to create our agency site. This agency site is actually for you to close more clients faster, because you need your own website to showcase the services you're rendering. So how can you do that? You can just come to categories and select agency site builder, and you see all those templates. So yeah, I'm just going to, you can see these are agency site builders. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3, we have 4 of them. So you can just pick anyone that you prefer and use. So here I'm just going to type agency instant agency, then you click on create. So the same way we created our lead page, that's the same procedure you're going to follow here as well. So you can see project has been created. So it's going to load the same builder which you can use to edit and customize your site. You can change image, you can change text, you can change logo, you can change color, you can play with anything. Just make use of all these elements here to edit your site. So once you're done, you can as well publish your site like I explained earlier on. So the site is published automatically. If you view the site, at times it might bring out this type of error. All you need to do is just to click on advance and click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, you're going to see this. You'll be able to view the site. So that is how LSA Agency works. You need to watch the next training video on how to actually create Google LSA ads, which you are going to use to generate leads for your clients. Thank you for watching. Bye.